Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we got kind of a quick one, literally, because of a lot of footage being corrupted. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We got the Hot Wheels Nomad, and I decided to make it a custom by making it off-road. Part of the corruption on my video was the part where I drilled it out and took it apart and tapped it. But here we are putting her in the stripper. Snipping the wheels off. We're using the wheels off of that Matchbox Ford rescue vehicle I showed in the opening clip. My original idea was use the suspension off of the Matchbox, but I changed that, put my own version of shackles in. And I took some clay and made kind of a rough rear and front differential, and the drive line and the transfer case. Get our primer on. I decided after looking at many pictures to go with the pearlized blue for the main color. Here it is, all done up, ready for reassembly. Again, sorry for the loss of footage. Turned into a nice roller. This is what we started with. The Hot Wheels Chevy Nomad. I believe it's a 1955. And this Matchbox that I had donate the wheels and tires to. This is what we ended up with. Pearlized blue with a silver metallic top and off-road wheels. A lot more detail than came with the car. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd appreciate that subscribe button. So here's the bottom.